Welcome to the future of beauty. Welcome to Perfection by Design. We believe beauty isn't just skin deep, it's engineered. Using the latest advancements in bioengineering, nanotechnology, and AI, our products don't just enhance your appearance, they redefine it.
Thanks to Perfection by Design, I can finally be the real me.
Our process begins with a comprehensive scan of your DNA and facial structure. We then customize our products to enhance your unique features, ensuring that every detail is perfected. Say goodbye to imperfections. Say hello to your ideal self. There is a perfect you that is fighting to come out. Perfection by Design, where your beauty is our masterpiece. Side effects may include loss of individuality, emotional numbness, and existential crisis. Use at your own risk.